So guys, today we're on Sector D. We are in an urbanisation called Camposol, near the port of Matheron, and only 30 minutes drive from Cavera Airport, which is Murcia International. I got a fabulous deluxe, Neptuno Deluxe Style property. So let's go in and check it out. I'm just going to take you over. It's like a marble effect inside the pool. It's really pretty. And you have a smaller area here. And you got steps down. It's quite an unusual pool. I've never seen one made like this. It's really lovely. I'm just going to walk around to give you an idea. And it's a very large pool as well. So you can imagine lots of fun in there with the family and friends. And you got beautiful gardens here as well. And this is the actual property itself in full view. You have an underbuild there which has been fully developed, and I'll take you in there shortly. But it's just amazing, this house, and it's very private because you've got all the hedge built up, you know. As we come in the driveway, you have got electric gate and room for a second car. Just above there on the roof you can see there are solar panels. You have wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows, beautiful terrace, and you have an underbuild. This underbuild is fully developed. Got a lovely pool here as well, and all established trees and plants in this garden. Really very nice. And just here you got a pergola area, you know. So this pergola you can pull across, have your table and chairs and your outside dining. You've also got plug sockets there and lights. Really lovely. You've got a staircase going up to the main house. And just here, of course, is the underbuild. So I'll take you inside. You've also got wreckers here which secure the front doors. So let's come into the underbuild. Now this underbuild has been fully developed and to a very high standard. You have aircon there, beautiful floors all round. You have spotlights above and a chandelier. And I just take you down here. This is your dining area in this beautiful property, and you have a fully functional kitchen. You have plenty of top and base units, as you can see. You have a hob and electric oven, your spotlight, and you've got your sink and faucet there. And just here you've got a fridge which is integrated as well. You've also got your freezer which is integrated. So this is a very high spec kitchen down here. So just over here, this door here, I'm just going to have a look around. We have got a little bit of storage and the electrics, okay, and you've got room for your bin. As we pan around and look again, we have another door just here. Now all these internal doors are all brand new, all very modern, and you have got a beautiful bedroom in here. So this is a double bed in the room here. You got your wardrobes, all your freestanding furniture, and your spotlights. And this leads on to an ensuite. So there is a lovely ensuite here. You have your sink and pedestal. You've got your hooks there. It's all fully tiled. And you've got your shower there as well. And your WC. So a really nice ensuite in this beautiful underbuild. So we have got 2 bedrooms here. So I'm going to bring you over to the next one. I love this room down here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's something cool down here. You've got the aircon because it's so hot here at the moment here in Spain. So, just through this door here, takes you into another bedroom. That there is just storage. And it's just where you put your cushions for all your outside chairs and that. Okay? It's just extra storage. So you haven't lost your storage, you've just gained an apartment really. Again, you've got spotlights and a second ensuite, which is great. And this ensuite is quite modern as well. So you've got your vanity unit here and your sink. You've got your WC and a bidet. You've got your fan to extract any steam. Got your mirror, it's one of those modern mirrors with the lights on. Your semi-frosted shower screen and a rain head shower. It's all being fully tiled and you've got a window there as well, which is great. Nice, large, double shower. Really lovely. Quite a large bathroom suite this. Okay? So, let me go out and around, and we'll go out and we'll have a look at the main house itself now. But this is a lovely, if you have friends or family over, you know, you've got a nice holiday apartment here. Okay, so we'll take you outside. Oops, opening the door the wrong way. And I'm going to, we could go up there and around the garden, but we'll come back that way. I want to take you into the main house first. So you've got these beautiful steps upstairs. So guys, I'm up here on the terrace, and do you know what? This is a lovely place. It's lovely and breezy up here, and you can sit and have lunch up here and enjoy the views. It looks over your pool, and quite a large pool that is. Look at that. Huge. So this is another part of the terrace, and we're going to go inside now. So many people enclose these, and do you know what, in the summer it just gets so hot. It was nice to sit out here and have those warm breezes, you know. And let's go inside. So I've just come inside, guys, and just behind the front door you have internal storage. It's integrated. You have overhead storage and a double wardrobe for your ironing board or your wellies, or even keep your melons and flip-flops in here. Okay, so I'm going to turn around, pan around for you guys now. So now, guys, that I've panned around for you, you can see this beautiful living room. It's got a beautiful feature fireplace. You have aircon, which you really need in this hot weather. Lovely lighting, and this is a great space, lovely living space. Take the room for a different angle so you can see. So you've got two really large sofas in here, and still plenty of room in here. So it's absolutely awesome. So I'll just come over here. We're going through the archway because we're going to have a look at the two bedrooms and the two bathrooms. So just in here you have aircon. You've also got a ceiling light and fan just above there. Okay, you've got recess and blackout blinds on the windows. And just over the far side there, you have got plug sockets. If you wanted to put a TV up on brackets or something, you could easily do that, okay? Panning around again for you. You've got your aircon, you've got your ceiling light and fan just above here. Going through this archway now, and just through here, you've got a double wardrobe and a single wardrobe. And the single wardrobe is great if you want to put your towels or whatever, because you have your ensuite just off this link corridor from your bedroom. You've also got this really pretty uplighter. Okay, so just in the bathroom itself, you have got frosted glass window, you've got a semi-frosted shower screen with a rain head shower in the bath, and just there you've got your bidet and your WC. Just pan around for you guys now, and you've got your sink and pedestal. You've also got your shaving socket, and just above there you have got an overhead heater. Okay, so I'll take you back in and around, and we'll go into the next bedroom. But first of all, I'm going to show you the guest bathroom first. So it's through this little corridor here, and just in here you've got these glass blocks as a shower screen, which is really modern and nice. And you have your shower just there. Okay, just here you have your WC, and you have a sink and pedestal. You've also got your shaving socket there, and your mirror with your lights to light the place up. This is tiled from ceiling to floor, and just over the door there you have got a socket, so if you wanted to put an overhead heater up there you could. Okay, so let me take you into the guest bedroom now. So guys, this is the guest room. As you can see, his and her wardrobes, which is great. You got a ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. As you can see up there from the aircon, it's 18 degrees in here, which is beautiful, because around here at the moment it is about 46, I'm sure. So this is a double bedroom. You have 2 single beds in here, but you will get a good size king size bed in here. Okay, nice large double bedroom with his and her wardrobes. Okay, so I'm going to take you in and around, and of course you've got that ceiling light and fan. I don't know if I forgot to mention that. So we're going back in through this beautiful spacious living room. I'll give you another glimpse of it. And over here, of course, is your dining area. Really nice as well. Very modern lights. Great space. And through here is the archway to the kitchen. Now in your kitchen you've got plenty of top and base units, as you can see. You have a granite effect worktop, integrated electric hob and electric oven. It's all fully tiled, got modern lights there above, and on the other side of the kitchen you have your white goods. You've got your dishwasher and your washing machine there, sink and drainer, worktop, and again top and base units and your drawers. Alright, if I just pan around quickly, this is off your dining area. Okay, so I'm just going to go out the back door here, and we're going to take it upstairs to the 3rd bedroom with the ensuite. So guys, as you know, when I go out here I'll be saying to you, I will see you upstairs. And it's a lovely sunny day up here. So guys, I've come up here, and of course you've got the door and the recette to the 3rd bedroom. It's a little bit of a step down. I've just come in to the 3rd bedroom, and as you can see you have aircon. It's quite a large spacious room in here. You have your patio doors onto your terrace. You've insect screens and your blackout blinds. It's quite a large room. You don't have integrated wardrobes here, you've got freestanding furniture. Okay, so this is a great size room. Just in here is your ensuite. As you can see, sink and pedestal, your bidet and your WC. You've also got a bath there with semi-frosted glass screen, shower screen. It's all fully tiled in here, and you have your shower attachment with your bath. Frosted glass window there, And your mirror with your lights, you've got your shaving sockets, you've got everything here that you could possibly need. So I'm going to take you outside here now and we'll have a look around. A beautiful breeze up here and the views are absolutely stunning. They're amazing from up here. So I'm just going to come around here to show you those views, see? And they go on for miles and miles. So you could put a hot tub up here or some loungers, whatever you want. This house, as you can see, is very well maintained and really to a high standard. And it seems to be in a very nice area as well. Some beautiful properties, well kept all around as well. And that is the main thing as well, isn't it? So let's go back down the stairs. So I've just come from upstairs. This is the back of the house, and just there you have storage, which is under the stairs, and it's just the size of the staircase really. Okay, so I want to go down here and have a look down this way. This is the kitchen door just here, and I want to have a look down here. So you do have a water point here, and you have various water points all around these villas generally in Camposol, because if you have tiles you can hose the sand down that we do tend to get from the breezes. It's a beautiful property, this. Lovely established plants and flowers. Just going to have a look in this door here. So in here it's all fully tiled, and as you can see there's base units and top units, sink and drainer, and there's a little fridge in here as well. There is also a socket, I think all the bits for the pool. Just have a look in here. And that's just some more storage in there. Okay. Have another room in here, and this is just stuff for the pool, for cleaning the pool and that, you know. It's under the staircase. So guys, we are in the underbuild. I'm not sitting outside by the pool today. It is roasting hot, I have to say. So I'm in this lovely aircon cooled underbuild, which is fully developed to a really high standard as well. This is great if you've got a large family, this property, or if you've got friends or family coming over, you've got somewhere to put them. So I will leave the reference number in the title of the video. So when you email and contact us, do put the reference number in, and don't forget to leave your contact details, guys, so we can get back to you. I hope to see you all soon in the office. Maybe come out with me on a viewing. So until the next time, take care and have an amazing weekend. Bye bye. Hasta luego.